Obamacare has been a complete and total catastrophe.
That has been Donald Trump's mantra since taking office. But here's the thing. Obamacare protects coverage for pre-existing conditions, and the program, or at least that part of it, is more popular than ever. So the president and many Republicans now say this.
And Republicans will always protect Americans with pre-existing conditions.
I support requiring insurance companies to cover pre-existing conditions.
I support forcing insurance companies to cover all pre-existing conditions.
In Wisconsin, pre-existing conditions are covered. And as long as I'm governor, they always will be.
But that last guy also supports a lawsuit to scrap Obamacare, so it can be confusing for voters. Some of them, with a real stake in the debate, spoke to our Kim Brunhuber.
In the shadow of Venice Beach palm trees, a small rally of progressives. The unlikely star of this midterm campaign event, 10-year-old Micah Eilers.
I'm just like everyone else, except I have a special heart and I go to special doctors. Thank you.
To date, those special doctors have cost more than $500,000, most of that covered by the Affordable Care Act, better known as Obamacare. Since Donald Trump was elected, Republicans have been chipping away at the ACA.
To have health care for as many Americans as possible.
Now, many Democratic groups are trying to turn these midterms into a referendum on health care.
I will do whatever I have to do to ensure that the Democratic candidate in my district won.
So, in the waning days until ballots are cast, evangelists on either side of the debate are doing what they can to swing votes. Like Micah Eilers, Susie Jacobson has a congenital heart problem.
It is very depressing that most of my money is going to health care.
After Obamacare was passed, she says the insurance premiums for her family of 4 quintupled.
We were paying $2,500 a month just in the premium. That didn't include co-pays or deductibles.
Martha McSally voted.
So, with Election Day around the corner, she's blogging with renewed vigor to expose what she calls the myths of Obamacare.
I know other people who are suffering too, and that's why I'm doing this. I want the truth out there.
On the other side of the debate, Terry Carlson.
This is the American dream right here. I have this dream because of Obamacare.
Carlson explores the bones of her new house. 10 years ago, she feared she might end up homeless, bankrupted by her rising medical bills.
I went to try to find health insurance and nobody would insure me due to a genetic defect that I was born with.
I don't care what you look like, but what I care about is how good your health insurance is.
So Carlson went on a dating website and offered to marry just to get on her suitor's health plan. She got 35,000 offers, but ultimately wouldn't need any of them. Obamacare kicked in and covered most of her treatment.
Obamacare is better than I don't care, which is what we had under the Republican administration.
Now, in the election's final days, Carlson says it's her life's mission to help Democrats preserve the vestiges of Obamacare, while Jacobson vows to do whatever it takes to help Republicans destroy what little remains. Kim Brunhuber, CBC News, Los Angeles.